Hey guys, it's Will from the Back 40, and I wanted to tell you about a big story out of the Justice Department about a whistleblower, alleged law breaking, and the rule of law under pressure. I'm going to break it down, who's involved, what happened, and why it matters. Just a further example of the disillusion that we should all feel toward government under this Trump administration. Two main people you should know. Erez Ravani, a DOJ lawyer who worked there for about 15 years and rose quickly, and Kilmar Abreu Garcia, a man who was mistakenly deported and whose case becomes the center of this whistleblower story. So you've got Ravani raising an alarm and Garcia's case serving as the trigger. So here's the sequence. Ravani says that while he was acting deputy director of the DOJ's immigration litigation section, he was told to sign a brief in the Abreu Garcia case. But there was a problem. He says the brief falsely labeled Garcia as a terrorist or MS-13 gang member to block his return after the mistaken deportation. Ravani refused to sign it, saying it was untrue and violated legal ethics. Earlier, he says DOJ leadership discussed plans where the president would invoke the Alien Enemies Act, a law last used in World War II to deport Venezuelans, and that planes must take off, quote, no matter what, even if a court order said otherwise. That's how severe this was getting. After Garcia was wrongly deported to El Salvador, the DOJ then tried to argue he was a terrorist to keep him out, even though the facts didn't support that. Because Ravani refused to go along, he was put on leave and later fired. He's now filed a whistleblower complaint. So why does any of this matter? Because it raises huge questions about the rule of law and ethics in government. Courts had issued orders in these deportation cases, and the whistleblower says DOJ leadership was ready to ignore them. Ravani says, quote, it's like we really did tell the court, screw you. He says he took an oath to uphold the Constitution, and when he was asked to mislead a court, he couldn't stay silent. Legal expert Ryan Goodman's team found over 35 cases where judges said the government provided false or misleading info. And the Garcia case, a man deported in error then falsely branded a terrorist, shows how badly the system can go off the rails. Today it's Garcia, tomorrow it could be you.